Stay tuned to see how I transformed this boring, outdated office. I was brought into this office to update it for someone who is very outgoing and energetic. When I saw this office, I did not feel the energy at all. As a matter of fact, it was very bland and boring in my opinion. The company was on a tight budget, so buying all new furniture was out of the question, and so was replacing that tired carpet. Obviously, I was not a fan of that carpet. So I decided to focus on the things I could change and add a feature wall. You will all quickly learn that I am a sucker for a feature wall. I love them. I would also update the desk and credenza with new hardware since they had to stay in the room. And I would paint the blinds and the trim in the room black. I also wanted to paint the lines in the ceilings to blend in with the ceiling. I couldn't leave them there because there would just be too much going on if I did. I also needed a very large rug to cover that ugly carpet. Take a look at my vision board for a quick recap. So this room has been cleared out, and now it's time to start the real work. I don't like paint, but we're going to paint.
So I was thinking that we can find some kind of way to incorporate this picture or this piece of art into the design of the office, because it just gives me such a warm and fuzzy feeling with the message, never give up on you. This guy right here, because I'm never going to give up on me.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what? So is that a yes?
No, I don't know if that is actually gonna go with the design, but I think that we can probably find a place to put that, like maybe outside the office, like as people are walking in, then they will get the inspirational message, never give up, right before they walk into the office.
Yeah, but it's
and
not
it will
for them, it's for me.
Okay, so right when you walk in the office, right before, you will grab a little bit of inspiration. And that might work. I don't know. Let's see. We'll see where we can put it.
Oh, okay.
You okay with that?
No.
These are just some of the things that happen when you're desperate to finish a project and you need a large vehicle in order to transport large items. Yeah. Yes, we're on a bus. Do what you gotta do. Hey everybody. So it's been 3-4 weeks, I don't know, as I've been working on this office, and we are finally here at the end, and I'm happy to say that I have found these for this very inspirational message that we have to display. And other than that, it's time to see what the office looks like now. Take a look. So what do you think?
Love it. Love it. Absolutely fabulous. Gorgeous.
What do you love about it?
Well, I think my favorite part is this lovely feature wall over here. I love the color scheme. The desk actually blends in with the color scheme. You know how much I hated this desk at first. And I see that you did some updates on the credenza, gave it a refresh, and it looks absolutely amazing. Almost look brand new.
Well, I am glad you like it. And what about your sign? Are we okay with the fact that individuals can walk in and have an inspirational message as they come through the door?
Yeah, I think I'm okay with that. Gives me something to look forward to just before I walk in and sit down and get started for work.
So does it look different?
It looks very different compared to what it looked like before.
So do you love it? You were giving me a little pushback on some things.
I was just a
Yeah,
tad bit, but,
yeah.
Yeah, I see the designer knows best. Love it.
Well, all right. Then my job here is done. Mm-hmm. Hey fam, are you feeling inspired to renovate? Go online and visit the replacement store to find everything you need to bring your vision to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see upcoming videos and more transformations. And please leave a comment to share your thoughts on this project or any tips and tricks you'd like to share, because I am completely open to them. I know y'all are punking me. No, where's the real refrigerator?